Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to attach an audio file to email on Microsoft Outlook in the year 2026 using a Mac computer, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Microsoft Outlook, and an audio file that we will be uploading to the email and then sending to the recipient. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock, go to Launchpad, then go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this way for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go directly to Outlook. Click on this way for that to load. Once that is loaded, make sure that you are signed into the account. Now we want to click on New Email and then increase the size of the email window. Let's now select the recipient, which will be Rayhan@ComputerScienceVideos.com. Subject, audio file. Let's now go into the email and type Dear CSV. I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached audio file. Let's now go to a brand new desktop and then go all the way around to the dock. Go to Finder, go to Music, and here we have an audio file which we want to highlight and then copy and then paste to the desktop. That item has now been pasted. So we can now go back to the email, go to Insert, Attach File, browse this computer, go to Desktop, locate the audio file, click on Open. That should have now attached to this email. So please see the attached audio file and kind regards. Admin. So we can now click on Send. And that email should have been sent. Let's now go to the sent items where we have the sent email that says audio file, Dear CSV. I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached audio file, kind regards from the admin. And here we have the audio file, which can be previewed, saved to OneDrive, copied, or downloaded. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.